Hello everybody. I'm currently here at Mehamn and it's a small town. I have been here from yesterday. I was at the hotel and today I'm going towards Hammerfest. It's my next destination. This is really cute, small town, probably living quite a lot of by fishing. This is harbor area just behind me and there's a lot of fishing boats and other fishing stuff there. I can recommend this place to come by motorcycle and to see everything. Weather is really good. Yesterday was quite exceptional weather because it was plus 32 up in the mountains. Now it's 15 degrees this morning and it's a little bit chilly, but it's okay because I have to wear the full riding garments. So let's go. Welcome to follow my travel videos. You can escape your daily grinding for a few moments, see beautiful Scandinavian landscapes through my camera and ride with me and my motorcycle. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. After leaving Mehamn, I rode through the moon landscape. From Mehamn to Ifjord, around 90 kilometers, is the most desolate landscape I have ever seen. The road goes over two high plain areas and both of them have only moss and rocks. The views are spectacular and the road is curvy and fast. Wow, look at this landscape. There's trillions of rocks. Big rocks, small rocks, and all in between. I had a small pause at the highest point. There was a nice resting area with a new building for toilets and a viewing point to the surrounding areas. Then I continued my journey towards Hammerfest. This leg was 360 kilometers and it took me the best part of the day. I had many moments to take photographs and videos and some stops for lunch and coffee breaks. The weather was fine all the time. The sun was shining, scorching, and visibility over the fjells and fjords was impeccable. Beautiful scenery again. But temperature went high, just like yesterday. It's 29 degrees right now here It's 163 meters elevation. So in these plains it has been a few days already this high temperatures, and yeah, sun is shining quite hard. It's totally different landscape than a few hours ago. Here's trees and also some lakes, and I can see some snow patches over the mountain. I just passed by quite famous fishing river, Pörselva, and there were some fishermen, but not so many. So today's ride was 365 kilometers or something like that, and the weather has been nice all day, starting from the morning and throughout the day, and no rain at all. Some clouds. I haven't decided yet tomorrow's riding where I will go, but towards south, and we'll see. So the trip continues, and I'm going to ride a few kilometers to Hammerfest, and then go directly to my accommodation and doing this daily maintenance stuff. I'm downloading my photos and videos from cameras, memory cards to my computer hard disk, and try to sort out those videos and put those in folders so I can find them easily later when I'm doing the video from this trip. So far it has been a wonderful trip, and I'm not first time here. I have been here many times. I try to find out those roads I have never been or taken before. So let's go.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark? From so far away, show us where we are. What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's grey outside? It really makes me wonder.